Welcome to Asuka method class. Let's start with listening to our breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. And continue with your own pace. And let's start warming up our foot. So hold the toe joint and then make a circle to one direction and then continue to the other direction and then continue to the next toe. And then next toe. And then we will do all 5 toes. And when you're done, let's place the fingers in between the toe joint and then hold the foot with the other hand. And then start making the circle to warm up the toe joints. And then let's make the space in between the metatarsal bones. So hold like this and then you start shifting forward and backwards. And there are 4 spaces in between the 5 bones. And when you're done, let's continue to the other foot. So start making circles with the toes. And keep listening to the breathing too. And then place the fingers in between the toes and make circles. And let's make the space in between the metatarsal bones. Shift forward and backwards. And then let's curl the toes and spread them out. Curl the toes and spread them out. And last one, curl and spread them out. And let's stand on these warm feet. And try to put your awareness on your feet. And start warming up our hands. Relax your wrist. And then tap the fingertips and slowly open your hands. And enjoy the space in between your hands. And now place the hands or even massage the body parts where you need your attention. And if you can't find it, just stay there, it's also okay. And keep listening to your breathing. When you're ready, start shifting the weight forward, backwards, or sideways, or even make circles to put awareness on your feet and find the connection with the ground. And let's stretch ourselves all the way up and bend sideways and keep the shoulders open and continue to the other side. And release, let it go, let it go. Relax your shoulders and let's do it again. Breathe in and bend sideways. And come back and continue to the other side. Feel the lengthening. And let's push forward to stretch our back. And release. Now pull the index finger all the way up. Pull the shoulders up and pull the shoulder blades also up. Then you can find the lengthening and keep pushing the ground to find the maximum lengthening of the body and start hitting the floor with your heel. Each time when you hit the floor, try to find a vibration in the whole body. It goes from down to up. And keep listening to the breathing too. And feel the lengthening and then start releasing your arms. Good. Relax your shoulders and start bouncing. Relax your groin. And keep relaxing your ankles and start kicking forward. And keep the knees and groin soft. And upper body stays just straight. And then let's kick backwards. And keep relaxing your ankles. Good. I hope you are ready for the next exercise.